we have division of polynomials. We have positive powers, so we can use here long division. Our divisor is whatever we have in the numerator and divisor is in the denominator. And we need to have the terms written down with the exponent in decreasing order. So to make sure we don't make any mistakes, so I will rewrite our numerator, so it will be in decreasing order. So first will be 2t squared, next will be negative 5t, and in the end we have 4. We have to divide by t plus 1. This is our divisor. So first we concentrate on the first terms, 2t squared and t. By what I have to multiply t to get 2t squared? By 2t, of course. And now I have to multiply every term of our divisor by whatever I have here. 2t times t is 2t squared. 2t times 1 is 2t. And now we have to do subtraction. We have to underline everything. 2t squared minus 2t squared is 0. We don't have to write. Negative 5t minus 2t, so it will be negative 7t. And we have to drop down the last term. We have plus 4. And again, the power is the same, so we can still do division. And we concentrate only on the first term, negative 7t and t. By what I have to multiply t to get negative 7t? Of course, times negative 7. Negative 7 times t give me negative 7t. And now I have to multiply every term of our divisor by negative 7. So negative 7 times t is negative 7t. Negative 7 times 1 is negative 7. To underline and subtract. Negative and negative give me positive. So we have negative 7t plus 7t is 0. We don't have to write. 4 plus, because negative and negative give me plus, 7 is 11. So, because the power of our divisor is greater than our remainder, this is our remainder, so we cannot do now division. Our solution will be, let me rewrite our problem. We have 4 plus 2t squared minus 5t over t plus 1. This is equal whatever we have on the top. So 2t minus 7, and now we have to add our remainder. So we have 11 over t plus 1. 11 over whatever is our divisor, always. When divisor is different than 0. This is my solution.